20 or 25. Sounds like a pretty good deal. But I might just pass. Look at the badge on this one. Might ask if we can do any better. Offered him 15 and he took it. It's an old 3-layer. Look up which model this is later. Just a quick video, guys. Stopped at Bussey's on the way back home. San Antonio, right out of San Antonio. Already got a good deal on a Swiss Army knife for $15. It's a vintage one with the square Phillips. Kind of excited about that. Be checking that out later, showing you more details. But just here checking out some of these vendors.